Using an American Express credit card online is a convenient and secure way to make purchases, pay bills, and manage your account. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use your American Express credit card online. First, you need to create an online account with American Express. To do this, go to the American Express website and click on the Register or Enroll button. You will be asked to provide your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to provide some personal details, such as your name, address, and email address. Once you have created your online account, you can log in to view your account information, including your current balance, available credit, and transaction history. You can also use your online account to make payments, set up payment reminders, and update your account information. To make a purchase online using your American Express credit card, simply enter your card details at the checkout page of the website you are shopping on. Make sure to enter the correct card number, expiration date, and security code to ensure that your transaction is processed successfully. When shopping online, it is also important to ensure that the website you are using is secure. Look for the HTTPS prefix in the website address and a padlock symbol in the address bar to indicate that the site is secure. You should also keep your antivirus software up to date and use a firewall to protect your computer from viruses and other malware. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your American Express credit card online to pay bills, such as your credit card bill, utility bills, and other expenses. To do this, simply log into your online account and click on the Pay Bills button. You will be asked to enter the amount you want to pay and the account you want to pay from. It is also important to keep your American Express credit card information safe and secure when using it online. Make sure to use strong passwords and keep your account information confidential. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. Overall, using an American Express credit card online is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances and make purchases. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your online transactions are safe and successful. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to avoid any potential issues.